Hello, Kinder 2. How are you today? I hope you are good. And it's me, Teacher Joanne. Good morning, Kinder 2. Let us pray now, okay? And okay, very good, Kinder 2. Now, we will listen to our story. I know you want story, right? Okay, let us watch the story.
Children,
Yes, Auntie!
welcome to another evening of Neverland.
Yes!
Our story today is titled The Lion and the Sheep. So, sit back and listen attentively. Long time ago, in the animal kingdom, a sheep was passing and saw a lion crying inside a locked cage. The lion begged the sheep to save him with a promise not to kill and eat him. But the sheep refused.
Please, sheep, help me.
But you're a lion! Why should I let you out?
Because I'm the king of the jungle. And if you let me out, I promise not to eat you.
That's a lie!
I give you my word.
After much persuasion, the sheep felt guilty and opened the cage for the lion. Now, the lion was very hungry, having stayed in the cage for days without eating. He quickly grabbed the sheep to kill and eat, but the sheep reminded him of his promise.
I've been trapped for quite a long time, and I am hungry.
But you promised!
I lied.
They were still arguing when other animals passed and asked what was going on. The lion and the sheep narrated their own side of the story, but because of fear, all the animals supported the lion except the tortoise, who claimed not to understand their story.
We heard you roar. What's the problem?
Please help me! Lion wants to eat me!
But he's a lion. That's what he does.
He promised not to eat me if I set him free.
I never said that. Why would I, the lion, make such a promise to a sheep?
Now, the tortoise asked the lion to show them where he was before the sheep rescued him. Then the lion pointed at the cage, and the tortoise said,
Did any one of you see what happened? Are you sure the lion really needed your help?
Yes, he was helpless.
Me? Helpless? How can the king of the jungle be helpless?
Poor lion, saved by a sheep.
How dare you! I need help from no one. Watch as I set myself free, and don't dare question me ever again.
Then the lion entered the cage, and the tortoise locked the cage. The animals were surprised, and the elephant asked,
What do you think you are doing?
The lion will still be hungry tomorrow, and we won't know who he will eat next.
Oh!
"Children, children,
Yes, Auntie.
this is the end of our story. Does anyone have a question?"
Why did the lion make a promise and refuse to keep his word?
Because it is in the nature of the lion to feed on other animals. Children, the lessons from this story are: number 1, never support evil today because it doesn't affect you directly. Number 2, always be smart when making decisions. Number 3, no matter how bad people treat you, never stop being a nice person. And the last one, don't feel intimidated by people stronger than you. So, until next time, bye-bye!
Bye-bye, Auntie.
Okay, do you like our story for today? I hope you like it, right? It's very nice. Okay, I will ask you, class, what is the weather today? Again, what is the weather today, class? Is it sunny, rainy, or cloudy? What do you think, class? What is the weather today? Yes, it is sunny day. Very good. Again, it is sunny day. Very good, class. Next, what about what is the day today? What is the day today, class? It is Wednesday. Very good. One more, you say Wednesday. Again, Wednesday. Very good. So, our lesson for today, it's all about lesson 4, words with short O. Okay? Words with short O. Okay, here's the example. Okay, hot. Can you repeat? Say hot. Okay, very good. One more. Hot. Okay. Next. Caught. Again. Caught. Okay, one more. Caught. Very good. Next. Pot. Again. Pot. One more. Pot. Okay, very good. Next. This is dot. Again. Dot. One more. Dot. Very good. Next, what is this? Oh, look at that. That is sob. Again, say sob. Again, one more. Sob. Okay, very good. Next. Oh, look at that. That is cob. Again, cob. One more. Cob. Okay, very good. Next. That is mob. Again, mob. One more. Mob. Very good. Next, we have rub. Again, rub. One more. Rub. Very good. Next. Oh, look at this. Okay, you say cup. Again, cup. Again, cup. Very good. Next, we have mop. Again, mop. One more. Mop. Very good. Next, look at this. That is top. Again, top. One more. Top. Okay, very good. And we have socks. Again, socks. Right? That is a socks. Next, this one, lock. Again, lock. One more, lock. Okay, very good. And the last one is dog. Again, dog. Again, dog. Very good. So, those are the sounds with short O. Okay? Please do the pages 55 to 57 in your Write and Grow book. Again, please do the pages 55 and to 57 in your Write and Grow book. Thank you and bye-bye.